Hey guys, welcome back to LS Tech. It's your boy Lucky, and today I've got the Apple Watch Series 4 and I've got extra band as well, so let's put the band to the side. But this is the Space Gray 44mm, so that's the newer version. Currently have a 42mm, but that's the older version. The newer ones comes in a 40 and 44mm, so that's really nice. But yeah, this is the box itself. Let's open it up. A good peel, so let's pull this off and let's take off these tabs here, and inside we are presented with this nice little design here. So you can see you've got all the different colors and straps, which looks amazing, looks so nice, I have to say that. So inside you've got the watch and the strap, as you can see here. They both come separately now. Before they used to come in one box, but yeah. So this is the black sports one. So this is just one of the sports band, nothing fancy there, but I'll open that later. This is the watch box itself, so you can see it here. And let's open it up and see what we get inside. So you've got your setup guide and no Apple stickers, so that's a bit sad. It would have been nice to include some mini Apple stickers. But we've got your plug here, so that's just a standard brick, as well as a charging cable. Nothing fancy here, you've probably seen all of them so many times. But we've got the watch itself. It's in this little Alcantara pouch, which is nice. They normally don't do that, but this is the first time. Let's see if I can get it out. Oh, and it's already powering on, and look at the back. So let's just take mine off so you can see a comparison. So this is one of the older ones, but as you can see, it looks a bit thinner. The color is nice, but the watch face as well is much bigger. As you can see, you've got the newer speakers much bigger, and the microphone is moved on to the other side here. But yeah, and the scroll wheel is not physical anymore, it's a tactile feel scroll wheel. But yeah, it's got loads of features, but yeah, I'm just checking out, it looks nice. The back is where the most of the changes, the heart rate, and you've got ECG, and you've got loads of new features, as well as fall detection, which is nice. So yeah guys, I'm currently setting it up now, as you can see. So this is going to take a few seconds. So let's just put that to the side and look at the straps. So I've got the black one included, so look at that. Let's look at that first. Let's see if I can open it up. So I've got the black strap here. Let's see what we get inside. So you've got a medium and large, as well as a small and medium, and you've got the connector point here, so that's nice. But yeah, nothing much there. Put that to the side, and I picked up a red one as well. So let's take this out as well, and I think this is the same here. Yep, so you've got a medium and large and a small and a medium as well. So yeah, nothing fancy here, but yeah, put them both to the side. So yeah guys, this is the watch. As you can see, it is so big compared to the other one. It's much faster after using for a bit now, going through stuff, and just makes a lot different. And the scroll wheel is really nice, gives you that little tactile feedback when you're scrolling. It's so good. Feels better. This one, you didn't have anything else, you just do that and that's it. You don't feel anything when you're twisting, but this one you can actually feel all the little tiny steps when you're scrolling in and out of apps. You feel all of those little tiny turns, which is nice. And you can do your ECG when you get the new update, so that's nice. Overall, it looks good. I'm very happy with it. I've actually been waiting a long time to get my hands on this one. But yeah, it's just much bigger, much nicer, and it's much rounded up. As you can see, the corners are much rounder. Overall, it looks really nice. I'm probably going to do a full review later on, guys, but this is just my quick unboxing and first look of the Apple Watch Series 4. This is the Space Gray 44mm, but you can get a 40mm as well. But yeah, let me know what you want to see on, if I need to do anything, any other test, any comparison, do let me know guys in the comment. But yeah guys, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I will see you in the next one guys. Take care.